Hello and welcome to the video demonstration of the service Inquisitor under the project Evidentia by Team Pratidwandhi. On your left you can see the run, and on the right you can see the Python code that we have used to make this service. I'll just run the Python code right now. So when you run the Python code, this window opens up. There are two users pre-authenticated right now. One is admin and the other one is analyst. So I will log in with admin right now. I'll enter the password. So when I log in, these are the four features you see. That the first one is to enter log entry, and you can see that I've logged in as admin. From here I can enter the log. From here I can view and search data that is already added. Right now there is no previous data, so it's empty. From here I can see the access history of who has accessed the portal at what time and what is the position of the person accessing it. And from here I can add a new user. So let me add a text file. I'll just fill in the details. So let the sender name be Amritya. Receiver name also be, let's say, Amritya. So mail. Now the country code given here is India, so I will purposefully write down 9 digits to show you one of these exciting features in both cases. So 9 digits here and 9 digits here. Current date and time. Let me give down some message. So we have flagged some specific words such as burner, phone, dispose, so that it comes out as a suspicious flag in view and search. So right now I'll give a text of dispose this burner phone, and it will get flagged when I search the log data. So burner phone is a one word. I will add this log entry. So my digits are not exactly 10. That is why it is raising an error, because for India we have 10 digit compulsory. So 10 digits here, 10 digits here. These are the other codes we can add. Add the log. So log has been added successfully. Now moving on, if we see the access history, you can see that a new log with the data ID has been added. And if I view and search the log data, so you see that suspicious, it shows yes, and these are the contents of the file, dispose this burner phone. Now, because there is only one data, I cannot search. So let me add a little more data, keeping it simple, just so that it can be seen that only because of dispose and burner phone, or dispose or burner phone, one of the flagged words, the query was raised as suspicious. So let the previous data be same. So now what I will do in the messages, I will not write either dispose nor will I write burner phone. I will just write the name. I will add the log. So log has been added. Now you see this is not suspicious. Suspicious becomes no, because earlier it was burner phone, and this time neither burner nor phone, no suspicious word. That is why suspicious no. So let me just see if I can find using keyword. So since there are both are Raj, it is showing both the data. Let me add another data. So now let me give some other names. Let this be a call. So I need to enter the duration in seconds. Let it be 120. So new log has been added. Now if I see, because no suspicious thing was found, so suspicion is no. Now if I do a keyword search of Vasco and make it call, all genders and let's say suspicious normal flag. So yeah, we can see sender's name Vasco, receiver's name Gamma. Now let me do the suspicious flag, and because there is no suspicious content, there is no output. Now let me do it based on the minimum duration of the call, and for all cases. So yeah, no. You can search on any, maybe date, any keyword, or the duration of the call. Now let me get back to all the data. Yeah, so this is all the data. Now to remove a data, you can just select the data and remove selected, and yes, so the data will be removed. If I go into the access history, refresh the logs, you can see that data has been removed and the ID is same. So now let me create a new user and show how it is different from admin. So authentication. Now I'll let the name be security. So I'll give it user access instead of admin access, and I've added it. So successfully added, it shows. Now we'll log out. Now what I will do is I will purposely enter the wrong password multiple times. So yeah, invalid password. Let me do it once again. Yeah, invalid password. Now let me go into the admin account once again and create another user profile with the correct password. Means with a password which I know. Earlier I just typed some random digits. So admin and my password for admin. Now let the username, because I cannot give it security because there exists a username of security already. So let it be guard. I'll just enter the security details and then change it into guard. So yeah, let me change the password also just in case. So yeah, I will create a user. Now if I go into the access history, you can see that a new user has been added by admin, and security has 2 failed login attempts because it could not be authenticated. Now log in with my guard ID. So now it does not have permission to admin logs, that is it cannot view the admin logs, who has access and who has not. You can see at top I have welcome guard. Okay, it does not have to user management access, means it cannot add a new user. Okay, so it can add log entries, of course. Just the thing is, it cannot remove a log entry. Let me select a log entry. This is this one, suspicious one. So it does not have permission to remove logs. All it can do is add logs or view logs. The rest remains in the hands of admin. And again, log in as admin and show you the access logs or history logs. And yeah, you can see that guard had logged in. It had tried to access remove logs, access denied, user management access denied, admin logs, access denied. That is how it works. It tells me who has logged in, who has logged out, what did they try to do. Now I can add another entry, or maybe let me log out. So yeah, that's it. That's how it works.